Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 Ultra, and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, and here right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we can take a look at this option bar here, and on the third position from the top we've got the timer. So let's tap on it, and as you can see we've got 4 different options, so the off, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. So basically all you have to do is to tap on the option back to use, and I will pick 10 seconds delay. Just tap on it, and as you can see the icon will change slightly, so you can always check which timer you've got set and simply tap on the shutter button, and as you can see from now on your device will count down from 10 and 10 or 5 or 3 of course, depending on which time you've chosen, and after that time it will take a photo. Of course, you can always turn it off just by tapping on this icon at the top, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that'll be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.